alaikum. Good morning, students. How are you? Dear students, today we are going to learn about another number. Let's see which number is this. This is number 4. Which number is this? Number 4. And here above you have a number line. So let's repeat how many numbers we have learned already. It's number 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many numbers we have learned? 4. Okay. Now dear students, let's count your fingers. How many fingers do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 fingers. Now come back to this page. Now see how many cats you can see on this page. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, these are 4 cats. How many cats? 4 cats. Okay, so let's practice writing number 4. How you can write number 4? Dear students, what you have to do is you have to make a one standing line. Make one standing line, then a small sleeping line, again a standing line, and likewise you will have number 4. You have to start from this red dot, okay, and then gradually you will write number 4 on your book, okay, a standing line, a small sleeping line, and then again a standing line. Okay, so this is how you will write number 4. Okay students, is it clear to you? You have to write this number in your notebook and you have to color these cats, that how many cats are these, and here you have to draw 4 circles. Okay, see you tomorrow inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.